Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a WordPress page builder. Have you ever wanted to create a beautiful, professional-looking website without diving into complex code? WordPress page builders are your answer. They provide an intuitive visual interface, allowing you to design and customize your pages with ease. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, these tools empower you to bring your creative visions to life, making website development more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Let's get started. Now that you understand the power of page builders, let's get yours set up. The first step is to install your preferred page builder plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. Once installed, remember to activate it to unlock all its fantastic features. You'll then find the page builder options readily available when you create a new page or edit an existing one. This simple process ensures you're ready to start designing in just a few clicks, setting the stage for your creative journey. With your page builder active, it's time to dive into the exciting world of design. The core of most page builders is their intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Simply select elements like text blocks, images, or buttons and drag them onto your page. You can then easily customize their appearance, size, and position. Don't forget to explore the vast library of pre-built templates. They offer a fantastic head start, allowing you to quickly achieve a polished and professional look for your website. As you become more comfortable, explore advanced features like responsive design settings to ensure your site looks flawless on every device. Consider basic search engine optimization, or SEO, to help your pages get discovered. Before you hit that publish button, always take a moment to preview your work. This final check allows you to catch any last-minute adjustments, ensuring your beautiful new page is absolutely perfect and ready to impress your audience when it goes live. Happy building!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.